I made a reservation in Korea. Overall, I was satisfied with the pickup and service. However, there are two slopes, and in the process of going down the first slope, the impact on the sole of my friend's foot was severe and I was seriously injured. X-rays were taken in the emergency room under the guidance of the staff. Fortunately, it wasn't a fracture, but it was best to move less throughout the trip. All expenses for the emergency room were paid by the company, and they did their best to take care of them. The reason I am writing this it was quite an eye-opening experience, good to visit at least once. Redemption was easy and fuss-free. Among the whitewater rafting operators along the Telagawaja River, Sobek is the best. Pickup from noticeably was efficient and on time. The raft guides were top class and kept the young kids in our group safe in the Cat 3 rapids. They did a lot of heavy lifting in the shallows and made our trip enjoyable. Of rafting as a family, I would recommend Sobek. A bit on the pricey side, but the entire trip was safe and very much enjoyable. We will definitely do this activity again. The food was underwhelming, but the actual rafting is something to come back for. It was so much fun. I had time to drink beer in the middle, and I didn't have enough money to take, so I couldn't give you a tip, but it was good that you took good care of me until the end. It became an unforgettable memory. Red heart emoji. Oh. But the life jacket smells too. I did rafting on the Telaga Waja River because it was said to be much more dynamic than the River. All the staff at Sobek are very friendly. In particular, Benny, who drove me and my wife. Thank you so much for taking me a long way. Thank you so much. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. My wife and I were supposed to give you a tip, but I couldn't, so I'm sorry until now when I came to Korea. I'm really sorry, Benny. And our rafting captain Oi Wang? Thank you so much. Thanks to the captain. It was better than I expected because it was more fun than the River. The rafting time was long and the guide was very helpful. The water was shallow, but it was interesting because it was amazing. The view was great while rafting, and the sound of the water, the sound of the mountains, and the waterfall in the middle were relaxing. When I went for lunch, there were a lot of stairs, but when I went up, there was a terrace view. Meals were washed in a simple shower and towels provided. You can take your items with you on a boat and store them in your boat, but you should. It's fun, the water is clear, and the instructor is very professional. Much more fun than River. We have fun. There is a separate room to take a shower after the activity. Behind the dining area are terraces. Scenery is beautiful. It's just that the buffet is really not delicious, but I didn't have any expectations, so I wasn't disappointed. Very exiting rafting adventure. Pick up on time and safe trip to starting location for rafting. Big focus by the team in safety before, during rafting. We had a very great guide, Boma, who made a wonderful experience out of it. Thanks Dengong. He can speak Korean, very important point. He is really professional and kind. Thanks smile. The activity is fun with the professional guide and good equipments. After 2.5 hours of rafting in rain and water splash, we are very cold. Luckily the toilet had hot shower with body shampoo, with towels and plastic bags for wet cloths. The buffet lunch is okay. Round-trip transfer is included and the location is far, about 2 hours from